What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. New update of Xiaomi EU is here, MIUI 12.6 21.8.4. This new update includes many interesting features like MIUI 13 Game Turbo and MIUI 13 kind of video toolbox, something really interesting. Extra else features are actually basically same. This is MIUI 12.6 by Xiaomi EU and I have installed it on my device Redmi Note 8. It's available for some other devices also, and maybe it will be available for your device as unofficial port, etc. So just talk about this build here. First of all, UI etc is same here as I saw after installing this on my Redmi Note 8. The smoothness, of course, it's MIUI, so just don't expect much smoothness, but still it's quite good. They're improving day by day. In some previous builds they tried to increase the smoothness. I'm not sure if it is actually working or not, but at least some sort of smoothness is present. But if you don't install much apps, as you can see, I haven't installed much apps. I just installed some useful things which I sometimes use on my devices. So one of the major change includes this new game turbo, and as you can see, this is looking quite interesting. Of course, it has the Chinese language and it's not officially available for everyone, but yes, it's included in this build. And yes, if you want to check it out, the new features in game turbo, this might be a very good choice for you. I tried playing games here, that was working good here. Now let me just show you the features which you get here. For example, let me just open it once again. It has some features which actually are written in Chinese language, but you can simply easily understand. Here you have that floating windows rated apps, you can simply enable them. The first option is clearing RAM. If you want to clear the RAM, simply click this. As you can see, the RAM will be cleared. Second one would be the DND. Third one which we have is called a screenshot. In Xiaomi EU, first time whenever you take screenshot, it will not take that. I'm not sure why, but I tried in all the builds with Xiaomi. First time the screenshot will not be taken, but second time, as you can see, it will be done. This is good. We have the screen recording option available for you, which is working fine. So all these game turbo features are present, working fine. You can also install this MIUI 13 game turbo on other Xiaomi devices, maybe in other custom room also. I haven't tried out that method, but I'll share with you soon. We have other options available for you. You can also use a timer and etc. So something interesting features are already present in this game turbo. If you want to try it out, then this is on the reasons why you should install this Xiaomi EU latest build on your device, why I like this build a lot. Now moving on to other things, for example, it also includes a new power menu, which is something good. Of course, it was always included, but let me just share with you. If you don't enable the advanced power menu, extended power menu in developer options, then you will see this power menu. But if you enable that, then you'll see the old power menu for you. Everything depends upon you. And now if you talk about the new volume panel, of course that's present there. It's not like One OS. Like One OS has the 4 style volume panel, but it only includes this 3 style, same kind of thing every time. They haven't changed, updated anything, but yes, it's Xiaomi official one, so just don't expect much things. This looks good. It is not looking bad, though I'm using it from some time. The features etc were working good, and they always implement some new features very fast and very easily. Let's just go over other things here. For example, if you want to check it out some other things, example, we have this new security. No, security is still same. The security tab which was newly implemented in the China beta is not there. I was thinking to make a video on a China beta versus Xiaomi EU difference, so I hope so I'll upload that. Make sure to comment below if you want that. Moving on to other things, as you can see, security etc same things, nothing to talk about these things. They haven't included anything else, anything new feature, else features are basically same. If we talk about another things, for example, what I noticed about video toolbox, they also changed the video toolbox, and the previous update was not there. They have included these same things, like we have this floating windows options available. If you want to launch any app in floating windows, that will be working fine here, which is something good, which was not available in previous updates or video toolbox previous update. But yes, as you can see, screenshot, whenever I took screenshot, it was not just working if I had first time, but when you click second time, the screenshot will be leaked. So this is something really interesting here, and sometimes I just got to know I related these things. I'm not sure why though. I am having these issues or not, but yes, these are the things you get here. If you want to install, this link is in the description. This is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. Goodbye, have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through